Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, and I'm doing an unboxing of a Bendable tripod. It's a portable, adjustable leg tripod. Kind of a large box, but I did buy some other things with my order. It was only like about $19, plus there's some discounts. And this is part of what I ordered, malted milk to make chocolate malts. But that's not the tripod. There's the tripod, and it's cami safe or whatever it is, and it looks like it is about 12 inches tall. Let's open it up. So let's continue this unboxing. Let's see what we got here. And oh, an adapter for your camera, and it is a kind of a nice velvet case with this is an iPhone mount. Let's get it out of the package here. Whoop, there it is. And get it out of the bag. It's got a kind of like a red top, and this is a gimbal here that's adjustable, and these are the bendable legs. So as you can see, they bend. Kind of a tripod. Reminds me of the tripod on War of the Worlds, scariest movie I've ever seen. There's standard your smartphone mount. I have to have my phone right here. Oh, okay, it was a little tight. Got that up. It's got some other adjustments on the side, the gimbal adjustments, and you can also mount a camera to it. So it looks like a really good product. Phone's held in place, and a really sturdy product. The legs are very tight. They just don't bend very easily, which is good. So it's going to be stabilized. I say for $20, $19, it's a good tripod. They used to go for a lot more money. There's some other brands. I guess these prices are coming down, and so if you're in need of a tripod with legs that are that adjust, this is the way to go because of the price. If you spend over $25 on Amazon, shipping is free, and that's why I bought this malted milk powder, which I'm going to be using later on because I want to have chocolate malt. So, and by the way, it also comes with a wireless remote control to activate your camera, and instructions how to connect stuff. And these are the instructions. And so the remote control works with Bluetooth, and it does work for iOS, Apple, or Android. Anyhow, if you like crazy tech and puppets, please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there.